In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if an email in Gmail has been sent. If you've ever typed out a message and then wondered whether you actually sent it, you're not alone. The quickest way to be sure is to use Gmail's Sent section, which lists every message that has successfully gone out from your account. Let's walk through it clearly so you can confirm your status in seconds. Start by opening Gmail. You can do this on a computer, in a web browser, or in the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. On desktop, look to the left sidebar. This is where Gmail organizes your mail into sections like Inbox, Drafts, and more. If your sidebar looks minimal, try hovering over it or clicking the menu icon to expand it. You should see a label called Sent. Sometimes it may be tucked under the More option. Clicking that will reveal additional labels, including Sent. Click or tap Sent to open it. This page is your official record of messages that have been delivered from your account. Gmail adds items here only after it has successfully sent them, so it's the most reliable place to verify what went out. You'll see a list of emails with the recipient, subject, and time sent. Scan through the list to find the message you're thinking about. If you remember the subject line or a keyword from the body, use the search bar while you're in the sent view to narrow things down quickly. You can also sort or scroll to the approximate time you think you sent it. If you find the email in sent, that's your confirmation that it was sent. You can open it to double check the recipient and content, or forward it if you need to resend. If you don't immediately see it, try refreshing the page or pulling down to refresh in the app, especially if you just hit send a moment ago, as it may take a brief moment to appear. Make sure you're looking at the correct account if you use more than one, since sent folders are unique to each account. If you cannot find your email in the sent section, that indicates it hasn't been sent yet. In that case, the message may still be sitting unsent in your workspace, and you'll need to return to it and send it. The absence of the message from sent is your clear signal that it did not go out. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail, go to the Sent section, and check the list. It's simple, fast, and the most dependable way to know whether your email was sent.